Ever wondered how to make your video look professional with lighting? Well, let me show you how I made a softbox using carton and some equipment at home. This remaining month of the year, I decided to be creative, so I made a softbox, and today I will be sharing it with you. So if you're looking for an easy DIY project that will improve your videos or photos without breaking the bank, stick around. Here are the list of the items you need for this project. Carton, roller, pencil, scissors and black tape, rechargeable LED bulb, foil, black spray or black material, but for this video I'll be using a carbon paper, glue or bond. Now you know the item we need for this project. Let's begin with the measurements. Making the remaining tray will be easy because all you have to do is trace it on the carton and cut. Next up, we have to use the duct tape to glue around the edges. After all the measurement, cutting and gumming, now is the time to assemble all the 4 pieces together. I have this stand at home, so I'll be using it as my softbox stand. When buying a rechargeable LED light, I recommend you buy from 30 watts and above. And that's it, guys. With just a few simple steps, you have made your very own softbox. Let me know if you'll be trying this in the comment section. Now we have come to the end of this video. I hope you find this video very helpful. If it was, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell because more fun DIY and content tips are coming your way. Until next time, see you on my next video. Bye. Now the back is use rubber band to hold it to stop it from falling. I have my ear.